Hi students, today topic real numbers exercise 1.1. Now they discuss first question, write any three rational numbers. Any three rational numbers. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7. These numbers form of P by Q, where P and Q integers, but Q not equal 0. This is a rational number. 2 by 3 is a rational number, 4 by 5 is a rational number, and also 6 by 7 is a rational number. Next question. Explain rational numbers in your own words. What is the rational numbers? Any number which can be written in form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. But Q not equal 0. This is a rational number. Rational numbers two types. Terminating decimals and non-terminating decimal. First one is terminating decimals, second one is non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals two types. First one is recurring decimals. Second one is non-recurring decimals. Second Roman, give one examples each to the following statements. First question, a number which is rational number but not an integer. Rational numbers form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers but Q not equal 0. Integers starting from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. -1, -2, -3 and so on. Integers represented by capital letter I. Rational numbers were represented by capital Q. For example, one example, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is form of P by Q. This is a rational number. 2 by 3 is not an integer. Second question, a whole number which is not a natural number. Whole number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers represented by capital letter W. Natural numbers represented by capital letter N. Natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. A whole number which is not a natural number. 0 is a whole number. 0 is not natural number. Third question, an integer which is not a whole number. Integer starting from negative numbers, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. -1, -2, -3 and so on. Integers represented by capital letter I. Whole numbers represented by capital letter W. Whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next, if you take one example, negative numbers, -3 is a integer. -3 is not a whole number. A number which is natural number and whole number, integer and rational number. For if you take one example, 8. 8 is a natural number and 8 is a whole number and 8 is a integer number and rational number form of P by Q. 8 by 1. P equal 8, Q equal 1, but Q not equal 0. This is a 8 is a rational number. Next question, a number which is an integer but not a natural number. Integers represented by capital I starting from negative numbers, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. -3 and so on. Natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. For example, one example, if you take negative numbers, -2. -2 is a integer. -2 is not natural number. Third question, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Before classes we learned rational numbers between any two rational numbers by mean method. By using mean method, mean formula a plus b by 2. Here a equal 1, b equal 2. Substituting equation a plus b by 2. A equal 1 plus b equal 2 by 2. 1 plus 2 equal 3 by 2. Here a equal 1, b equal 3 by 2. Substituting equation a plus b by 2. A equal 1, b equal 3 by 2 by 2. LCM denominator 1 2 ja 2. 1 2 ja 2. 1 2 into 1 2 plus 2 1 ja 2. 1 into 3 3 by 2 equal 2 plus 3 equal 5. Denominator and denominator multiplication 2 2 ja 4. 5 by 4. Here a equal 1, b equal 5 by 4. Substituting equation a plus b by 2. A equal 1 plus b equal 5 by 4 by 2 equal LCM 4. 1 4 ja 4. 4 into 1 4 plus 4 1 ja 4. 1 into 5, 5 by 2. 4 plus 5 equal 9 by 4 by 2 equal 9. Denominator and numerator multiplication. 4 2 ja 8. 9 by 8. Here A equal 1, B equal 9 by 8. Substituting equation. A plus B by 2 equal A equal 1, B equal 9 by 8 by 2. LCM 8. 8 1 8 ja 8. 8 into 1 8 plus 8 1 ja 8. 1 into 9 9 by 2 by 1 equal 8 plus 9 17 by 8 by 2 by 1 reciprocal multiplication 1 by 2. 17 1 ja 17, 8 2 ja 16. 17 by 16. Here A equal to 1, B equal 17 by 16. Substituting equation A plus B by 2 equal to A equal to 1, B equal 17 by 16 by 2 equal LCM 16. 1 16 is 16. 16 into 1 16 plus 16 1 is 16. 1 into 17 17 by 2 by 1 equal 16 plus 17 33 by 16 by 2 by 1 equal 33 by 16. Multiplication 2 by 1 reciprocal 1 by 2. 13 1 ja 30, 33 1 ja 33 by 16 2 ja 32. Five rational numbers between 1 and 2. 1 and 2 between equal 3 by 2. 1 and 3 by 2 between 5 by 4. 1 and 5 by 4 between 9 by 8. 1 and 9 by 8 between 17 by 16. 1 and between 17 by 16 equal 33 by 32. Find the 5 rational number. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay students.